Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Yallahs St. Thomas, and St. Thomas is on the eastern part of Jamaica. Today we're going to look at the new Yallahs Fire Station, and that is it straight ahead, a two-story building recently built. Now a lot is going on Thomas. Actually, a lot is going on the eastern part of the island. As you know, the Southern Coastal Highway is being built from Harborview to Port Antonio. So it goes through St. Andrew, St. Thomas, and Port Antonio. So as a result of this, a lot of development, as a result of the highway, a lot of development is going on the eastern part of the island. So in addition to building the highway, the government is also improving the infrastructure on this side of the island. So this fire station is one example of the improvements. A lot of other developments are going on, and we'll keep you guys updated on all of them. So recently, or sometime last year, this station was opened. So we're going to go through an article that gives us a lot more information on the Yallahs Fire Station. Prime Minister Andrew Holness officially opened the new 163 million Yallahs Fire Station in St. Thomas, which is expected to serve some 95,000 residents. The facility is a sub-project of the Disaster Vulnerability Reduction Project, implemented by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund in partnership with the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development. This fire station is a representation of the government's strategic intent of focusing on the development of the parish, said Prime Minister Holness during the opening ceremony. He also underscored that the government is undertaking massive redevelopment in St. Thomas to significantly improve the lives of its citizens. Minister of Local Government and Rural Development, Honorable Desmond Mackenzie, shared that the condition of the previous structure did not befit the dedicated firefighters who were stationed there. We are proud of this achievement because not only are we building these infrastructures, but we have been providing the brigade with the requisite tools to carry out their functions. The government has spent close to 900 million on building and improving JFB's facilities island-wide since 2016. The new Yallahs Fire Station has a staff complement of 40 firefighters and boasts a two-story building comprising administrative offices, a conference room, an emergency medical services room, male and female dormitories, restrooms, a small gym, as well as an engine bay. Commissioner Stuart Beckford, head of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, said the station's opening will lift the firefighters' morale, giving a new improved working environment that will facilitate improved service delivery to the residents of Yallahs and its environs. According to data from the JFB, St. Thomas is one of the safest in the island with no reported fire-related deaths over the last 5 years. The Commissioner Beckford also commended the firefighters in the execution of their mandate to save lives and protecting property. The opening of the new Yallahs Fire Station coincides with the JFB's observance of Fire and Life Safety Awareness Week. Alright guys, so that is the end of the article. So we're now driving out of Yallahs back towards the Yallahs Bridge. So as you can see, a lot of work is being done. The road is being worked on. So it's a very good that the government is developing this side of the island. For a very long time, St. Thomas was known as a forgotten parish. But that's no more because this highway is bringing so much business opportunity with it. It's literally opening up this side of the island to investment. So it's good that the government is improving the infrastructure in terms of the fire stations. They're building the Morant Bay Urban Center. It's very good. You really have to admire all the progress that's going on in Jamaica. Now, building these highways is not a cakewalk. There's a lot of inconvenience, especially for the persons living in St. Thomas, Yallahs, basically. But the government is trying to do their best. As you can see, the state of the road is not very good because it's under construction. So hopefully it will be finished soon and everything comes into place. But it's definitely improving the infrastructure is definitely a move in the right direction. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about what's going on in St. Thomas and the Yallahs Fire Station. You can leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.